blue shark at the beach today. Blue shark coming to play. Blue shark splashing in the sea. Blue shark, come swim with me. Mia waves and says hello. Blue shark, I love you so. Leo splashes in the sea. Blue shark, come and play with me. Blue shark smiles and swims around. The happiest shark that can be found. At the beach we play all day. Blue shark swims and splashes away. Sun and sand and ocean blue. Blue shark loves the beach, it's true. At the beach we play all day. Blue shark swims and splashes away. Blue shark watches from the sea as Mia builds a castle for me. Leo digs a moat so deep, secrets in the sand to keep. Blue shark says, that looks so fun. I wish I could build one in the sun. Mia finds a shell so bright, shiny, sparkly, pure delight. Leo finds a starfish too, orange and yellow, fresh and new. Blue shark peeks above the wave, the prettiest shells I ever gave. Let's play a splashing game today. Blue shark loves to splash and play. One big splash and then another. Blue shark plays with sister and brother. Everyone is laughing loud. The happiest beach crowd. Blue shark does a happy dance, a wiggly jiggly ocean prance. Swim to the left, swim to the right. Blue shark dances with all his might. Mia and Leo join along, singing a happy beach song. Look out, a big wave's coming now. Blue shark dives and takes a bow. Mia and Leo hold on tight. The wave brings them so much delight. Splish, splash, the wave is gone. The beach fun carries on. The sun goes down, the day is done. Our beach adventure was so much fun. Blue shark waves and says goodbye, swimming home under the sky. Blue shark, see you soon. Under the sun or the big blue moon. Mia and Leo pack their things. The beach day ends with happy flings. Blue shark calls from the sea, thank you for playing with me. Goodbye, blue shark, see you soon. We'll meet again.